In this video, we will introduce the music features of the T6 host. After pairing the T6 host with the phone, we open the music player. This is the phone button. Click the phone button once to start the music. Click the phone button once again to pause the music. These are the volume plus and volume buttons. Click the volume plus button to increase the volume. Click the volume button to decrease the volume. These are the volume plus and volume buttons. Click the volume plus button twice to skip to the previous track. Click the volume button twice to skip to the next track.
Promise you gon' keep it.